quick update of the HyperDeck, my mini, my original version, and I have the audio processing on my mic. I want you guys to hear how loud this thing is. So I'm gonna turn the audio processing off so you can hear exactly how loud it is in the studio with this HyperDeck. First, let's switch to the HyperDeck. Looking down at it, here it is. Here's the fan that I'm gonna update it with, and it is the Noctua NF-A4X20. And this is the one that's recommended by Tony from Quick Tech Solutions. So check out his channel. Audio processing off, which will change my voice a little bit, but I want you to hear this right now. That is how loud the fan is. So just let that go for a second. That's about 3 inches from the fan. I'm gonna measure. Actually 2 inches. 2 inches from the fan. So now we're gonna take it apart and we're gonna update the fan and let you hear it with the fan upgrades. So here we go. Okay, so that's a better view. So now we're going to open it up. And again, you have 2 screws, 1, 2, and then 2 more right here. And you can see I have it unplugged. And this is my HyperDeck Studio Mini. And try to keep this back far enough to where you guys can see it. 2 more screws on both sides. I like to keep these in separate piles. So these will go here, these will go here. And again, this will void your warranty. So if you guys are going to do this, just understand Blackmagic's no longer going to warranty your device, but it will get quieter. And that's the nice thing about doing this. So pull the cover off. There you have the fan. And in order to get the fan out, you have 2 screws right here that are exposed right now. And we're going to pull those out. There's 1, it's in its own pile. 2, it's in its own pile. And then you can see right here that you have this little 4 connector, and it goes in with, it looks like black, red, yellow, blue, and that's going to be different. And Tony printed out the colors from his channel, so we're going to show you those colors now, so stand by. Here is it disconnected, and this kit comes with a bunch of connectors, but the sad thing is none of these connectors that are in here will fit. So we're gonna have to line those wires up. And if you go to Quick Tech Solutions, Tony did a video, and here is his wiring guide. So you can see that on the connector, we have black, then red, then yellow, then blue, and we're gonna have to connect the black to black, the blue to blue, and then the red's gonna go to yellow and the yellow to blue. And we will be using this new fan right here. And we're going to be cutting this and then splicing the wires because this connector will not work. Paired up, there you can see them, and now I'm going to tape them and we're going to test this. So I'll put this fan back in the HyperDeck and we'll do a test before we do the soldering. Okay, we are all soldered. As you can see our diagram here, we have black to black, blue to blue, and then we have yellow going over to red and green going over to yellow. So this has been soldered. Hopefully you can see that. I got some solder on the end of here, and now I'm going to tape it up with some regular tape, and we'll go from there. Regular tape. Okay, let's put this back together now. We'll turn the effects processing off again. And there's the sound. Silent. Silent. That is awesome. Pretty much silent now, and that kind of solves my problem. There's the HyperDeck. Put a disc in it here. Put the disc in, hit play, and there you have. Everything's working great. Super quiet. Amazing how much more quiet that fan install is. So thanks, Tony, for your video on QuickTech Solutions. I followed those steps. I used your color code, and I have a HyperDeck that's working great right now, and I so much appreciate it. This is Life Journey Production Studios. I hope you enjoyed this fan upgrade of the HyperDeck Mini, and now it's so much quieter in my studio. So let's put the effects back on, and thank you so much for joining me for this little demo update of the HyperDeck, and thank you, Tony, again for your demo. So I felt comfortable because of your video doing this. So please check out the link below. I'll have a link to this for Amazon right here on this video tonight. So I hope you'll check it out. It's the NF-A4X20, and it's a 40 by 20 premium fan. It's by Noctua, N-O-C-T-U-A, and the link's right here. So Ken, thank you for that. HyperDeck's working great, and we're going to get it all set back up and back in the studio and ready to go.